It was kind of surprising seeing this whole building that is like so big.
I didn't expect it to be like this. It was a big upgrade from the last one. The last one, I mean, it looked like normal, but this one's really cool.
Once you get inside, you see all the colors in the classrooms, and those lights always change color, so on the bus it's really fun to look at them.
I like how my classroom, it's 2 classrooms in one. It's open wall. I like how my teacher can teach the other one. They both teach basically at the same time, and they speak to everybody.
Why I'm proud to be a Heritage Eagle, you get to like soar and like go above and beyond, have fun, and make good choices in the school.
They kind of just like make everyone feel welcome and like treat everyone correctly, and like it just makes you feel seen.
This is a nice school to be in. People are nice here and they treat you right. It's just a really good place.